need to do is work out. Need to work out side windows and the back windows. So currently, I'm debating basically to have 900 or a meter. So so my max height really is 500 because I want a wee bit of play to go either way. At the minute I'm thinking 900 for the window, but possibly could do the 1000, like meter window. My max height really is gonna be 500. Like that gives me a bit of play either side of the window, and then it just depends on the money. The back windows, again, probably gonna go 500 wide, possibly 500 tall. So we got 500 by 500, 500 by 500, and then basically 900 by 500 or a meter by 500. It depends on size. I don't think I'm going to get a window on this side. One, because there's that pillar there. Now, to be fair, that pillar could just be removed. It's easy to be removed, but I don't want to take up too much insulation space. Like that could all be insulated and keep the van warm. There'll be enough light from this window and from them two windows, so I would say that is probably fine. And if I wanted to, I could possibly add a small window here afterwards. But between the big window, two windows, there will be like a ceiling fan up above. So the only annoying thing about this camera, the only annoying thing about this camera is my Wi-Fi is in the house. And obviously, when the van's closed over, the Wi-Fi isn't great. So I need to be like standing on this side of the van to get the Wi-Fi. But what I think we're going to do now is I got some sound deadening from Dodo. This came highly recommended in like all my research, like YouTube, Instagram, all the really reliable sources. Basically, this was, so you get 40 sheets, and they are 25 centimeters, 38. So they're 25 or 250 by 380. Basically, that's the noise of the and the idea is that these need to cover 60%, or sorry, 80%. Someone can correct me in the comments. Yeah, to be fair, there's a bit of a difference that and that. But what I might do is I might go around and one there and one there. Like it was dear, but in my head, this is gonna add a slight bit of insulation. Like, so it's obviously got that aluminium foil, which supposedly helps condensation, but who the fuck knows? Everyone could just be selling you loads of shit and not that be true. We'll do all big main panels first. To be fair, yeah, it has. Also, there's like a magnetic thing on the inside of this here. So I'll be able to do now some POV. Oh fuck. That's if I knock it out of my knock it out. I can do some POV camera shots. That is also if my oh my god, Wi-Fi in my house is terrible. And I won't know if this records until I check later on. Really hope that it does. That'd be a fucking waste of £60. What sort of camera doesn't be able to fucking record without internet? That's just fucking stupid. Yeah, minimal cutting, minimal effort. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's 14 sheets already, to be fair. Like this is definitely not gonna last too long. Well, to be fair, that was actually very quick. So we have a full side now. Sound didn't. Now, I'll probably put in little strips over there. I'm not doing the wheel arches yet. I'm gonna do the other side. I'll do the other side now. And then I'll see basically what I've left to do. Yeah, it's 2 on each side. So, not like it's lasting much, but trying to yeah, I'll need another box. I'll probably put some on the roof as well, to be honest. It's just you don't want it to be so loud that you can't fucking sleep at night. And like, you know, I've slept in tents where it has been absolutely pissing down, but it's really, really hard to sleep. So that is that. So, use my phone on my thing, but yeah, we've got this whole side done, this side done. So like, that'll be that noise. Even that's a wee bit tiny. Like, there's definitely a difference between that and that. So yeah, that is as much as I can do. I am trying my best to do this as quickly as I possibly fucking can. I have now been a total of 4 or 5 hours into this whole project, and it's starting to like, you know, just want to shift it on. Oh, I didn't get recording. So basically, I painted all of the spots of rust and things like that. I haven't done likes of the door. All out there will need a bit of rust paint. So I did all that. I didn't get recording it because I didn't have this camera. My iPhone storage sucks ass. It's like dead. It's full somehow, even though I deleted 3,000 videos. And somehow I had more storage, or like it was like 60.1 gigabytes in photos, videos. Then I deleted 3,000 videos, and then it was 60.2 gigabytes, and deleted from the recently deleted and all. So makes no fucking sense. Oh, hey ho. Yeah, I'll probably get another box. I'll do the wheel arches. I'll do that wheel arch. Patch in, patch in, patch in at the bottom. Probably patch in there, down there. That'll need deaden, that'll need deaden.